Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries in a cup. First, select fresh, firm strawberries, then wash and thoroughly dry them. This crucial step ensures the chocolate adheres beautifully. Next, gather your melting chocolate, small serving cups, and any fun toppings you plan to use. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success. Now let's melt the chocolate. For the best results, use high-quality chocolate chips or melting wafers. You can melt your chocolate gently in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds, or use a double boiler for even heating. Whichever method you choose, stir the chocolate until it's completely smooth and glossy, without any lumps. This perfect consistency is key for a beautiful coating. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each dry strawberry by its stem and dip it into the chocolate, covering about 2/3 of the berry. Let any excess chocolate drip off. Then, carefully place each dipped strawberry into your small serving cups, standing them upright. Don't forget to add your favorite sprinkles, chopped nuts, or other fun toppings right away before the chocolate hardens. Finally, refrigerate your chocolate-covered strawberries for at least 15 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely set. Once firm, they are ready to be enjoyed. These delightful treats are perfect for parties, gifts, or just a sweet indulgence. They look impressive but are surprisingly easy to make. For more great tips and deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.